On the second day of Thriftmas, Refashionista Sheri gave to me two trash to treasure decor ideas. The thrift shop definitely has everything that your little heart could possibly desire in the way of holiday decor. And of course, I had to pick up a few items for myself during this little thrifty trip. And this bag I was very happy with because it was 99 cents and absolutely full of lovely little schnicky schnucky decor things. And I think I need to use the pink one, but I have to go in my stash and search around for the two less than stellar and broken toys that I've had there for way too long, like this little dolly with the missing leg and the pony that my daughter drew all over. And the idea I have for this doll is to do something with her head, but I need to find the perfect bobble, and I think I did with Skelly's help, of course. So we're going to take the head off, and this is the one I chose. And how adorable is that going to be? So the very first thing, of course, you have to do is fill the head with glue and then just stick it on top of that holiday bauble. And I used a piece of braided yarn here and just wrapped it around to cover up the glue. And she has a little scarf. And now I'm just going to glue the rest of the piece of yarn around her bun to create the little hanger. And yeah, and then just, glue the hair down to cover all the little bloopy bits, and I'm done. This one is going to take a little bit more imagination, I think, but it involves the head, of course. And I like the fact that for these ones, I can just kind of bend them up because it's all wires. So I'm going to see how I can put the end of the wire through the head, but I have to do it going up through the neck, right? Because I want to use that as the existing hanger. And I actually did it just by making that hole a little bit bigger that was in the mane. Now I'm going to take the mane and glue it all around my little hanger hook here, and I think it might kind of look like a unicorn horn. I don't know. We'll see. This is just really, I'm pulling this out of thin air, people. It is not a plan at all at this point. Now I'm just gonna bend and fold and glue all of those little decor wired bits up and around, and look at how beautiful these came out. I love my bubble doll head, and look at this with the light under, just absolutely gorgeous. Stay tuned for your daily dose of Thriftmas magic.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.